So I ran into a problem recently where one of my prints would not stick to the print bed. Let's talk about how to fix it. If you haven't seen my other video about the A1 Mini, go check it out, but it comes with a dual-sided textured PEI plate. For those who aren't familiar with what a textured PEI plate is, it's essentially a print plate that increases adhesion. It helps your print stick to the plate better without having to use a glue stick, depending on what type of filament you're using. And over time, these plates tend to lose adhesion. I've had my printer for a few months now, but I've read that some people have had their plates for a very long time. I guess I just drew the short stick. I don't know. It's pretty easy to take care of these plates though. Normally you need to just keep it clean with dishwashing soap, warm water, and a plastic brush, but that wasn't working for me anymore. Which is why I picked this up. Duragold 600 grit wet or dry sandpaper sheets. They come in a pack of 25 and they're pretty big, so you can probably just cut them in half if you don't want to use the whole sheet. 600 is also the recommended grit size according to Bambu Labs, so keep that in mind. I have seen posts where people use anywhere from 600 to 1000 grit sandpaper, but to be honest, I would just use exactly what Bambu Labs recommends. To use the sandpaper, all you need to do is clean the plate, make sure it's nice and dry with a paper towel, place it on a flat surface. Then you take the grit and wipe it down. Make sure you cover the entire plate as you are wiping it, and don't be afraid to put some elbow into it. Once you went over the side of the plate that needs to be fixed with the sandpaper, make sure you wash the plate again. From that point, the only thing left to do is test it out. You should notice your print sticking to the bed a lot better. To me, it felt like I had a brand new plate. Now, what if you're lazy and you don't care about fixing it? It's dual-sided. Just flip it over. To prevent this from happening to you, make sure you're not using any metal scrapers on the plate. Make sure you handle it with clean hands. Make sure you keep the plate clean between print cycles. And try to let the plate cool down before you pull the print off. I know you're eager, but just be patient. But that's all for this video. It's a short one. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Catch you later.